Paano lumabas? Ganun na yun. We're so sleepy. Finally, we're so tired.
Diyan na kate? Yan ang suot mo. Ano? Ganyan ang suot mo. Okay. Sure. Kung hindi pa ako nagising, hindi dire-diretso yung tulog namin.
Fudgy. Supposedly, kakain kami sa labas, tapos mamamasyal, tapos 6:30 na.
Sarap matulog. Dapat kasi
Ang ba't dadali mo po? Emergency money, so gotta skip it too. We're gonna eat somewhere we don't know. Medyo ako'y gutom na and I wanna eat somewhere good. Gusto ko nga, Tacos ba yun? Wow! Wait. Si OA. The art. Jimmy. Ay, si Bob Marley pala to. Is this skirt today? Anyway, yeah. So, maglalakad lang kami, hanap na. Hanap lang na makakainan na masarap. Burger, I don't eat burgers. So, we're here, pal.
Salita ka, pati ka ba naririnig?
That you and I, with the water all that is, and it makes no flowers grow. Good things might come this way, and you give yourself away, with or without you. You, with or without you, with or without you.
Hello, so we're finally back at the hotel. Look at our stuff. Ayun, pumunta lang talaga kami sa labas to eat. And ayan, nagpe-prepare ako ng sasuot ko tomorrow. And hopefully, makapag-jogging kami bukas. Para naman, ano tong kinain namin kaganina. Sobrang dami. Yeah. So, okay. Maghihilamos na rin ako. Then, yeah. And then we're gonna sleep na. Bye. Ang pangit ko vlog. Nagka-contemplate pa ako kung magja-jogging ba tayo o hindi. Nag-alarm ako ng 5:30 eh. Hindi ko alam kung magja-jog ba. What do you think? Kaya mo ba? Ako naisip ko kung tatakbo ako. Ang dilim pa. Oh my gosh. May sakit ka? Sinisipon din ako eh. Good morning! Mamayang 9, meron kaming cooking class. So, if it's 6:20 right now, 7:20, dapat tapos na ako. So, 8 o'clock makapag-prepare na ako. Sana safe ako dun. So, let's wait for my go check. Hindi ako minom ng tubig. Kalimutan ko. Hi! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! So, 29,000. Thank you. The second fastest motorcyclist in Hi, good morning.
How are you?
We're fine. How are you guys?
I'm good. What's your name?
Riza.
Risa.
Yes.
I'm Komang.
Komang.
Jane. Nice to meet you.
Philippines.
Kom-
Yeah.
Oh,
Happy good day.
Yeah, but
Happy good day.
yeah, thank you.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
Okay. Now going to market, yeah?
Okay. We're at the market.
Think about the negative spirit before you go away.
Pretty.
Okay.
And then this
I like
one, the people buying it before working actually, this we call it chana. You have any kind like food or something like that, you can offering to the God. This like thank you so much for helping all the in life. Yeah.
Guys, we have a bayo. Kami ay mamamalengke here.
May bayong na siya.
Straight. Straight.
You look so yummy. You can asking for me.
Okay.
You look. What is you?
Oh, it's that. What is that? A cake?
Yeah. This one Balinese cake.
What? Honest.
Ang English lang pwede na.
It's alright.
It's alright.
Uy, ubusin mo daw yan.
I can ubos this one.
It's like an empanada na parang glutinous rice yung ano.
Okay. Parang suman, tapos ang laman niya gulay. Can I see the inside?
Taste mo.
Ayun.
This for you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You got a piece.
This we call it gondel.
Hondo?
Yeah, gondel.
That's
From Balinese.
kangkong in... Is that
Yeah,
kangkong?
this one kangkong.
Ah, you have kangkong also?
Yeah, we have kangkong also. So,
What's this?
Kangkong.
You have
Sayote.
this we call it bija. If I praying,
In Bali,
we collect manta, and then after praying, the have holy water from our temple, and then have the bija is like symbol from our God. Yes, that's why.
What is this?
Pineapple.
Pinya. It's called pinya.
Parang kaming bata, guys.
In Bali, we call it manas.
Pinapaalam sa amin yung mga... Parang bata.
This?
Watermelon.
Melon. Di Bali, we collect sa mangka.
Si Maka.
Snake fruit.
Snake.
Di Bali, we collect sa lak.
Makasih.
Makasih.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
Okay.
Hi. Thank you. Hello.
The chili from our garden. And then
You
we
also.
have put the new chili in bamboo.
Mm. Ayaw. Magpo-cooking class na kami later.
guys,
Yes?
I drinking first, yeah?
Sure, yeah.
I thirsty.
Oh, go. It's okay. Okay, the ingredients we're gonna use later. Let's go.
June, yeah? Okay. 7 June, just 4 months.
You fall in love.
Okay.
Like this, and then you fill, yeah? Okay, be careful.
So, kung iniwan yung akin, yung ano
What's this? Good? She's the driver.
Hello.
Letter with this, yeah?
Hi. Okay.
Good idea. Yeah. Palm reading? Palm. Oh, here also have it.
Mm.
Pwede tayo tumambay sa ano,
Saan?
beach.
Sige.
Eh, hindi tama.
Mas mo na yun.
Pwede mo ako ng pamit. Kasi pagkain na natin.
Ano?
Gantan, sini gantan.
Oo, kasi low bat na rin ako. Oh my God! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Look at that.
Look at
Baka bigla siyang tumalon sa akin.
Thank you so much for joining with us.
Thank you so much, Mira.
Thank you.
Go back.
Share with me with
What is sayang?
Mahal kita.
mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Riza, mahal kita with me.
No blood. Mas Martin no blood. Pinainom nila ako ng tequila, ng... Eh, pag pa naman nakainom ako.